In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down, then hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and choose Autofill with Google here. Tap on Google Password Manager. Click on any password you wish to edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!